Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account and opening the specific spreadsheet you want to extend. Once signed in, install and enable the Google Sheets extension in Chrome or Workspace Marketplace and accept requested permissions when prompted. Next, reload the sheet and open the extension panel from the Add-ons or Extensions menu. Make sure the extension shows active. If not, toggle it on. This gets you past Setup and into the first actionable interface where you can configure options. Now you configure how the extension will act. Select the target range or entire sheet and pick processing options that match your goal. Once done, map columns to extension fields, choose any available presets, and use the preview feature to inspect changes without committing. Run the operation on a few sample rows first to validate results. This prevents large-scale mistakes. If something looks off, stop and adjust mappings. Remember to save a version or copy before broad changes so you can revert. Finish by applying the configured action to the full dataset and then verify key rows and totals to ensure correctness. Once satisfied, enable automation. Set triggers or a schedule if the extension supports it and document the workflow for future use. If the extension fails or returns errors, check the extension logs, clear cache, and reauthorize account access. Often a permission lapse or outdated token causes problems. If errors persist, disable and re-enable the extension or restore the previous sheet version to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.